So you want to art on a paper towel and you want to use pen and ink, but there's a trick. In order to be able to draw a pen and ink over the top and not have it bleed, especially when you're working with paint pens or dip pen, what you have to do is coat the paper towel. Makes it strong, and so you can turn this into this. So grab your paper towel and let's get started. For this process, you'll need matte varnish. The reason you need matte varnish is because the pen and ink will not stick as well to gloss. So get you some matte varnish and a paintbrush, and you're just going to coat the paper towel. I like to coat it all in one direction and make it even, smear it out so there's not any lumps, and then I'll let it dry. And it takes a little bit to dry. And then once it's dry, you can feel that it is stronger. Now, do you coat both sides? Well, that is up to you. It might be trial and error to find out what you like. Usually I do, but sometimes I don't. You'll find the varnish does not absorb into the paper towel once you put a coat of varnish on it, so the less varnish it will take for the additional coats. When I stop at 2 coats, I let it dry overnight before drawing with pen and ink. So here's the completed paper towel, and then now I've begun to draw. So have fun, and let me know in the comments if you try this process how it goes. See you the next time.